Assalamualaikum everybody. Today we'll be looking at the pulse oximeter. First I'll tell you what is it and then we'll look at how to use the pulse oximeter. It's a small portable device. As its name shows that it is going to measure the oxygen levels, but not just oxygen saturation levels in the blood, also our heart rate. Now let's move on to how to use the pulse oximeter. It's quite simple. I'll take this box, I'll unbox it. And there are some instructions mentioned on its sides, and this is where we can open the box. I'll open it, and inside the box we'll find few things. Definitely the first thing is going to be the pulse oximeter. Then we've got this strip. I'm going to tell you why is this strip used with the oximeter in just a moment. Then we've got this pulse oximeter manual. This has got different instructions and diagrams on how to use the pulse oximeter. This is its front side, and also when I flip it has got instructions on its back side. This is its qualified certificate. Now let me show you how to use this strip. There's a hole on the top of the pulse oximeter where there's a clip like thing. I'm going to show you in just a moment. Now put that strip inside this hole. You might be wondering, why are you doing so? Okay, let me tell you. This strip makes pulse oximeter very handy, so you can carry it in hospitals when you are in your clinical rotations. And this is its front side. When I'll press on the clip, there's the light inside it, and there's one single button. When I'll press it, it will turn on the oximeter, and there will be red light inside it. This section is for putting the finger. Make sure prior to putting your finger, it's not wet, it's not cold, it's a bit warmer. Like I rubbed it on my other hand, and my finger is now warm, and I put it inside the oximeter. And now I'll wait for a second or two, and then my reading is there. I've got 98 or 99 oxygen saturation and more than 100 beats per minute. And on its back side, there are two batteries that are used for using the pulse oximeter. This pulse oximeter takes almost 10 seconds to shut down, and it's automatic shutdown. This is its top section that is kind of clip that can help you open it. It's an excellent tool for early detection of potential health issues, especially the respiratory and also the ones that are related to circulatory system. If you guys are interested in purchasing a pulse oximeter like the one I have, I'll link it below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to leave them below in the comments. Till then, Assalamualaikum.